welcome. It's that time of the week when you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. Bollywood woke up to the shocking news of the divorce between the golden couple of B-Town, Hrithik Roshan and Suzanne Roshan. Details in our next story.
Suzanne has decided to separate from me and end our 17-year relationship. This is a very trying time for the entire family.
And with this statement of Hrithik comes an end to the 17-year-old relationship with Suzanne. Well, the couple who was known as the golden couple of B-Town have left their fans shocked with the sudden news about their divorce. But this wasn't surprising for some people in Bollywood, as they were already aware about a crack in their relationship for some time. And 2 weeks back, Suzanne's mom Zareen too had exclusively told Zoom that the couple are having some problems but will hopefully get solved soon.
पहले तो एक चीज, I think my son-in-law is too sweet. He's a good soul, and my daughter is even a very good soul. So they are happy together, and all these rumors which you see, so every marriage goes through a certain period of ups and downs. They are very strong, and they have little time wherever they are. They'll come back together. They are together. They talk every day. So there's nothing for me to worry about.
And not just Zareen. Hrithik too had told Zoom that he wants to start a new relationship with Suzanne. But unfortunately, looks like the problems were so serious that there was no question of giving it a second chance too. Well, about 4 months back, when there was buzz about Suzanne moving in with her parents along with her kids, then it was said that she left the Roshan family to take care of her ill parents. But the reality was something else. Suzanne did not want to stay with Hrithik. Hrithik and Suzanne were not spotted together at any recent events. So much so that even during the premiere of Krish 3, the entire Roshan family was present except Suzanne. The last time we saw Suzanne with the Roshan family was at Rakesh Roshan's birthday party, from where she left quite early. And if sources are to be believed, one of the biggest reasons between a crack in their relationship is also because of the Mexican beauty Barbara Mori and actor Arjun Rampal. Well, during the shooting of Kites, Hrithik and Barbara Mori were linked up with each other, after which there were news about problems between the couple, and Suzanne had even stayed at a hotel. But the issue was solved soon enough. And at the same time, Suzanne's name getting linked up with Arjun Rampal too created quite a lot of differences between the couple. But according to sources, the reason for their divorce now is because Suzanne wanted to move out from her in-laws' place along with Hrithik and her kids, but Hrithik refused to do so. And although the couple's friends and family tried to bring them together, they failed due to the number of problems the couple had between each other. Well, now neither Suzanne nor the Roshan family wants to talk on this. But one thing's for sure, that fans are still hopeful to see the couple reunite and live happily ever after. And right after the news broke out, we spotted Suzanne Roshan at an event where she was asked to speak about the issue, and this is what she had to say.
There's nothing else to say because I am also a mother, I am a good person, so we don't want to talk about anything else today. To blame anybody else in this situation is very bad. It's only about me and Hrithik, nobody else.
Moving on, we cornered filmmaker Karan Johar and actors Parineeti and Siddharth Malhotra at the trailer launch of Hasi to Phasi. Take a look in our next story.
Now, a while ago, I think I realized internally that if there are two things I would never do in my life, would be to collaborate with Ram Gopal Varma and with Anurag Kashyap.
Karan Johar made this confession at the trailer launch of his upcoming film Hasi to Phasi. Well, let us tell you that Karan co-produced this film with Anurag Kashyap's production house. And what could have happened in the last few months that Kejo changed his mind? Listen up.
Now, a while ago, I think I realized internally that if there are two things I would never do in my life, would be to collaborate with Ram Gopal Varma and with Anurag Kashyap. And that's when I realized very early on in life that you should never say never, because you never know what's going to really come out in your life. Collaborating with Anurag is something I never thought I had ever envisaged, imagined, or even thought of. And today, as I stand tall in front of you, I'm not only collaborating with him, but I'm also acting for him in his directorial endeavor. And I don't know what else I'm capable of doing with Anurag, because I absolutely adore the man.
Well, this is the same Karan who had decided never to work with Anurag, and today he's all praises for the director. On the other hand, the film's cast Siddharth Malhotra and Parineeti was seen giving very typical answers.
Well, of course, I think Hasna is always a positive thing when a girl laughs. So in school, we'd always try to do funny stuff, trying to impress them with stupid stuff. I remember when I was in school, we used to play basketball. I used to play basketball for my school team, and that time we used to pretend to have injuries to get importance from girls. I was lucky enough to go from all boys school to a co-ed school in 11th and 12th. Then not to all girls, no. From all boys to then co-ed. So yeah, in school and after basketball ke baad, when itna sa bhi kharosh lagta hai, then to pretend that it's a big deal. And
this is what Siddharth had to say, but Parineeti stepped up and revealed his secret.
सब बकवास है. सिड के केस में जब वो हंसता है तो लड़कियां फंसती हैं. नॉर्मली उल्टा होता है कि लड़कियां जब हंसती हैं तो हमने उसको फंसाया होता है. बट इसके केस में सब लट्टू थी, इवन सेट पे. Don't be modest.
Well, that was all about Siddharth's hasi. But what about Parineeti's?
मैं फ्लॉप थी. कोई लड़का नहीं फंसा मेरी हंसी से. आज तक भी वही ट्रू है.
And when we asked Anurag as to why he chose to produce a romantic comedy, then this is what he had to say.
ये मतलब अपील ही नहीं करती कि मैंने साथ में काम भी किया है स्क्रिप्ट में. ये बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे कभी अपील नहीं की. मैं वो आदमी हूँ जो सेंस एंड सेंसिबिलिटी देखता है बैठ के और रोता है साथ में. तो ये फिल्म थी ऐसी जिसने हंसाया, और जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी पहली बार एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ इट यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी इमोशनल. इट्स अ वेरी नेचुरल थिंग. वो तो आप लोगों ने मुझे सिर्फ डार्क वाला बताया.
Next, we have Abhay Deol and Preeti Desai, who was present at the first look launch of their film 1/2. Details in our next story. Actor Abhay Deol is all set with his new film 1/2, and this is quite a special film and is close to Abhay. The most special thing about the film is that his real-life partner Preeti Desai too will be seen in the film. And here the big question was, how could two real-life partners work together?
For me personally, it was quite nerve-wracking. Actually, because I look up to Abhay as an actor quite a lot. So for me, there was this pressure of, my gosh, am I going to be able to perform properly? And there was this nervousness of, oh my God, kind of a thing. But yeah, I think we did it in the end. So I hope it shows.
बहुत लड़े, actually, Pullu, बहुत लड़े. Lots of tears were shed. Then director would say, "Go to your van, sort it out, and come back out." And ऐसे करके एक मर के हमने फिल्म बनाई है.
Well, Abhay is quite happy working with Preeti, and we also saw his care and concern towards Preeti when the media asked her a question regarding her Hindi.
My mother tongue is Gujarati, so I worked on my Hindi. But yeah, I'm still working on it. You would, I suppose, expect me to have an English accent when I speak Hindi, but actually I sound like I'm from Gujarat. So even my English words, sound like Gujarati.
जब पूछते ऐसे क्वेश्चन सवाल तो फिर मुझे करना ही पड़ता है ना. ये तो नहीं है बेचारी इंडस्ट्री में. मैं तो पुराना हूँ अभी.
In no time, Abhay was immediately seen defending Preeti. And that's not all. When we asked them about their wedding plans, then this is what they had to say.
काफी लंबे टाइम से आप दोनों रिलेशनशिप में हैं, तो शादी का प्लान कब तक है आप दोनों?
और वो साइन का है. हाँ, ऐसा ही.
ये क्या होगा? ठीक है, क्वेश्चन पकाऊ है, लेकिन अगर जवाब भी अगर पकाऊ देंगे तो चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
शादी पता नहीं. आई थिंक जब प्रीति अप्रूव करेगी.
प्रीति?
When he learns to pick up his socks from the floor.
There you go.
And clean up after himself.
I couldn't say it better.
Well, Preeti has clearly put her conditions in front of Abhay. Now we'll have to wait and watch whether he can fulfill them. Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but before that, we'll leave you with these interesting visuals of Shahid Kapoor's success party. Take a look.
called a few friends. It's a very impromptu plan here. We hadn't decided it last night. I just wanted to call a few friends and have some fun. So it's just a few friends who have called and just gonna enjoy myself, let my hair down. It's been a very hectic year. I'm gonna have some time now to relax, so I'm happy about that.
Sonakshi, look center.
Because we worked hard, so hard work pays, I believe in that. And also thanks to the audience, because they showed, how they showed their love. I'm very grateful to the audience. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
मैंने शायद के साथ एक छोटा सा डांस कर लिया because I mean you have to उनकी सक्सेस पार्टी है. very very happy to be there.
देखिए हमें बहुत पसंद आई और उसी की शुभकामनाएं देने के लिए शायद तो हम यहाँ पर आए and happy to celebrate in a celebration.